We did have a severe traffic accident today on Interstate 40 at the 421 mile marker, east and westbound. We did have a passenger bus versus a tractor trailer. We transported 12 victims to area hospitals by ground and by air. We do have confirmed fatalities at the scene. We also had 2 that did not need transport, walking wounded, that were released from the scene.
This is the first time, like I said, it's ever bothered me this bad, and I've seen them all. So I've cried. I've been here since 2 o'clock, and I've cried. And I'll cry again. About to cry now, but it's a bad thing.
That will be something that we will look into, I'm sure, as far as the driving history of the bus driver, qualifications of the bus driver. As far as DOT inspections on the bus, I'm sure that will all be looked at. Our troopers that are on scene are also post-crash investigators, which means that they will look at the brakes, they will gauge the brakes to make sure the brake mechanisms, if at all possible, if this crash will, permit that investigation to take place. We will look at the braking system and make sure that the bus was functioning properly. We'll also look to see if there's any possible other mechanical failures that could have led to this incident.
The first ambulances and fire apparatus were on the scene within less than 5 minutes from the initial call. Of course, our 911 center handled hundreds of calls related to this accident and did a valiant job as well. But the first units were on the scene and encountered, of course, the bus was overturned with multiple patients and multiple fatalities.